Have you ever had those types of dreams where you're running away from something, but you don't know what it is? Like there's something behind you and you haven't looked, but it feels like it's getting closer and closer. You see light at the end of the trail, but it feels like it's not getting any closer. It also feels like you're running in place sometimes. Then, all of a sudden, your whole environment changes. Now you are in an even scarier place where you can only see what is in front of you. You're still being chased by something, and when you turn around, he's right behind you. He's the only thing you see while behind you is darkness. It's just you and him. Then he gets his hands on you, and before anything else happens, you wake up, only to see him again tonight.